another special Amazon unboxing. Happy Prime Day week. Hopefully everyone had a good day. Everybody is safe. Here we go, guys. Definitely take advantage of the sales going on now. Prime Day kickoff begins now. So here we go. This is coming from PockFog. Who are these guys? What is this? Magic? Oh. Detachable smoke chamber. Immersive LED. Smart digital. I think this turns your drinks into like smoke. Fancy dancy. You can see smoke chamber, heaping scoop, flavored wood chips. Oh boy. Ooh. I don't have any wood chips. I had to buy some. Mixing drink. Sour whiskey. We got some accessories. Alright. I wonder if I have time to order some wood chips. Whoa. We got some stuff in here. Maple. Are these wood chips? Hey. Ooh, this smells good. We got some maple. PockFog. We got some apple. It's pretty cool. I was ready to order some. I'm like, oh no. And that's a nice little gift. Beach. Where's the beach? And we got some oak. And we got some cherry flavored. That's probably the OG everybody uses for whiskey. I'm not really a big one into whiskey, but I know a lot of my friends are. I drink once in a while. Maybe it's a sign to start drinking again. And we got little thongs. Got a brush. I might have some whiskey at home. I'm not sure. We got this USB. We got a travel pouch. Take it on the road with you. Wait for bartenders. Here's the thing you put the bark on. Little thongs. Little brush. Man, you get everything in this. Thank you guys for sending me this for a review. Now we're going to test it out. Remember, over 21. This is for you guys. Nice housewarming gift. For birthdays. Or whatever you're celebrating. Holidays. Okay, we got dong. Can we remove this? See this little sticker. Let's see, how does this work? It's my first time ever using one of these, so okay, boy, oh boy. Put this over the glass. Zoop. Gonna heat in here. Alright, hold on. There's a little sticker I had to remove. See, now that's gone. So you got two of them. So yeah, you get everything. So you fill this up, pop it in here, heat it up. And it has LEDs. Whoa. Alright, I'm gonna grab a glass. So you put it like that, and then you put it over the glass, pop, and then once it starts smoking, you lift it, and then boom, shakalaka. You get a smoky drink. Hold up. Alright guys, I'm gonna use the apple, because I got the strawberry banana Tropicana thingy, the juice. So you take this, and you're gonna twist and fill it up a little bit. Just be careful you don't spill it everywhere. See? And take your little thongs. Dong, 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 dong. And let's see if you guys can see the magic. Kind of long distance right here. So you scoop and poop. Now, it all depends on how much flavor you want. You could fill it. Oh. Come on. I think that's good for first time use. What do you say that might burn good? It does smell like apple. Apples and strawberries and bananas, they all go together. But I can't show alcohol on here, so you guys know what this is for. So perfect Father's Day or a birthday gift, stocking stuffer. Let's make sure you got it on. Good. You can see that there. And then now pop this in. Uh-oh. Oh, jeez. Hold up. Okay, now she's nice and sealed. Just gotta put it back up in here. It should be good to go. See these two buttons? You hold these together and it'll pop this thing out. So let me pour the drink. And I can see it turned on. Here we go. Should be good enough room. It's like mad science. Turn it on. There we go. 10, 20. Whoa. Three, two. Okay, that's a timer. Alright. Now it's getting a little warmer. We're gonna set it 20. Alright, let's see if we got it going. It might take a few minutes to warm up. Let me read the directions on it. the light mode going. You just gotta press the side button right here. So you have it different colors. That's pretty cool. Here we go. Give it a few seconds. I'm gonna try again. But I think it has to warm up though. We still got enough battery. That's cool. Try it again. Gotta keep on trying. Here we go, we got the smoke. Huh. Holy moly, it is stinky. I'm going to show you right now, I got it going. Watch this. Stinky. Boom. I'm glad that actually works. So there you have it, YouTubers. Check them out, PockFog. Get a little foggy up in here. See? So check it out. Link's gonna be down below. It's smoky. Ooh yeah. The way you like it. Alright, YouTubers, be safe. Have a good night.